In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a navigation menu on Wix. Whether you're building a brand new site or enhancing an existing one, having a clear and functional navigation menu is crucial for guiding your visitors to where they need to go. And thankfully, Wix makes this process not just simple, but also incredibly flexible. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website. If you haven't already, open your preferred web browser and navigate to wix.com. Once you're there, you'll either need to create a new account or log into your existing one. If you're setting up an account for the first time, just follow the prompts to enter your details. For those logging back in, fill in your credentials and hit the login button. Now that you're in, you can decide whether to open an existing project or start from scratch with a new site. If you want to build something new, follow the prompts to create a new site, selecting your industry and site preferences that suit your needs. With your site open, let's focus on the left-hand side panel. Here you'll see an Add icon. Click on it. This is where Wix gives you access to a range of elements you can incorporate into your site, including our focus for today, the navigation menu. In this panel, look for the Menu and Search option. By clicking on it, you reveal more specific choices, one of which is navigation. Go ahead and click on Navigation to see what styles are available. Once you've done that, you're presented with a variety of menu styles. It's a good idea to choose one that aligns with the overall aesthetic of your website. Take your time browsing through the options until you find one that you love. After you've made your selection, click on the menu style and drag it into the desired spot on your page. You can place it in the header, the sidebar, or nearly anywhere else that works best for your design layout. For the final touch, let's customize the menu design. Once your menu is in place, click on it to start personalizing its appearance. Wix offers extensive editing options, allowing you to adjust colors, fonts, the size, and more to match your brand style. This customization ensures that your navigation menu isn't just functional, but also visually appealing. And there you have it, a brand new navigation menu added to your Wix site, ready to guide your visitors seamlessly through your content. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay creative, and I'll catch you in the next video.